Welcome to another questions and answers video series, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. Today's question is, can I create a funeral program in any language? Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making helpful and useful content to equip you during a time of loss. During the already emotional funeral planning process, we are here to assist you in learning more about all things relating to printed memorials. With our DIY funeral program templates, which are available for immediate download, and our online editor funeral programs, we provide filler text included in the ready-made file to help guide you along. You are free to change and tailor it for your specific service and language. You can copy and paste or type in your own preferred text in the dialect or native tongue of your choice, such as Spanish, Chinese, or French. As long as your keyboard can type in the characters for your language, you are able to place it within any of our templates. We can accommodate any language with our DIY templates or done-for-you service for printed memorials. We can also do different languages for any of our in loving memory keepsake products. You will need to proof the wording if you send us the text, since we may not be familiar, so it's best done by the family during the proofing process. The Funeral Program site is proud to provide you with maximum flexibility in all our products and services to best accommodate every individual need. Thanks for watching another questions and answers video series. We offer the largest variety of styles and themes, and each will enable you to customize the program to your specific needs. View our collections today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.